I have the ultimate healthy snack recipe for you using just 2 ingredients. That's right, 2 ingredients. It's so tasty and satisfying, you won't believe that it's so easy to make. So keep watching. Hey there, I'm Christine from naturalkitchenschool.com. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you find out about new recipes when they come out. So if you like pumpkin seeds and the flavor of maple syrup, it's a match made in heaven when you combine the two into a delicious pumpkin seed brittle. Let me show you how. So just a word about the pumpkin seeds I'm using. These are sprouted pumpkin seeds. Supposedly that makes the nutrients more available for our bodies to absorb. So I like to use this brand. If you prefer, you can just use toasted pumpkin seeds instead. And then you want to be sure to use pure maple syrup, not maple flavored syrup, because this just has a better consistency when we bake it. I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to use about 1.5 cups of the pumpkin seeds. And just spread them out in a nice even layer. I'm adding 1/3 cup of maple syrup. I'm adding this directly to the sheet pan because I'm just taking a shortcut here, but if you feel more comfortable mixing this up in a bowl separately, you can do that too. Now I'm just taking a little spatula, stirring it around. You want to make sure that all the pumpkin seeds are coated in the maple syrup, and then spread it back out into your nice flat layer. And I try to keep the pumpkin seeds connected rather than spread out too much so that it makes a nice brittle. You can use other seeds for this if you want to throw in some sunflower seeds or other seeds. Okay, so there we go. And now we're going to pop it in the preheated oven. Again, that was 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to set my timer. You can start checking your brittle around 12 minutes. Everyone's oven is going to be different. I'm going to actually set my timer a little longer for 15 minutes, and I've sometimes baked it as long as 20 minutes. It just depends how crispy you want it, and again, how strong your oven bakes the brittle. So that's after 12 minutes. I'm going to bake them at least 3 to 5 more minutes, just because we want them to really crisp up and get nice and brown. Okay, so see how we've got that nice brown bubbly stuff around the edges? That's going to make sure we get a nice crispy texture to our brittle. Now it's going to take some willpower, but the hardest part is to not break this up right away. What you want to do is let this cool completely until it's really cool to the touch. And at that point, then you can break it up into big chunks and you'll have this gorgeous, tasty brittle that was so easy to make. So even though the edges got nice and crispy, the center needs to bake a little longer. I'm going to pop this back in our oven for about 5 minutes so we really get the perfect crispiness. And the way that you can tell is that when you go to peel it off, it's bending a little. It shouldn't be bending. It should be as brittle as the outside pieces. This will be perfect with just another few minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Those outside edge pieces, perfect. In fact, these little outside edge pieces, I'm going to just break these off and pack these away. So check this out. It's the perfect consistency. And now I'm just going to break it up into pieces and store it away in a glass container. Can you believe this is 2 ingredients? Store this in a covered container. It keeps pretty good on the counter for about a week. Let's give this the taste test. Super crunchy. Wow. So satisfying. Does it get any easier than this? You're gonna love this. You gotta try it. I think I'll try some more right now. Wow, so crunchy, so good. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this easy pumpkin seed brittle. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite healthy snack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.